Trading the news is an essential skill for all traders. Major news announcements can often cause large price movements, particularly in Forex markets. So, here are 5 key pointers to help you try and make the most of those moves. 1. Do your research. Know the times and dates of important events. Use an economic calendar, for example, the one on IG.com. It's a vital tool to help you plan ahead. There are many announcements on any given day, and it's essential you know which will affect the assets you're trading. For a Forex trader, generally any event impacting the US dollar is important. Events like non-farm payrolls, Federal Reserve minutes, and GDP. If trading shares, look out for company earnings, dividend payments, and stock splits. 2. Check what the market expectations are for the event. Look at a chart of what happened last time. How did the market react? Was the data better or worse than expected? Did earnings beat or miss estimates? Use what happened in the past to inform your future trades. 3. Study related news and events. What else could impact the market in the wake of the announcement? Take crude oil as an example. US inventories are due on Wednesday. If there's an oversupply, the price should drop. But say OPEC ministers are meeting Thursday. If they reduce output, the price could rise. So, it's essential to look at the overall picture and not take each event in isolation. 4. Put a strategy in place. Know what levels you want to buy or sell at, and where to put your stop losses. This will help you to have the courage of your convictions and avoid knee-jerk reactions. And finally 5. Learn when to fade the news. Here's an example. The CEO of Company X announces he's leaving. The stock falls, but you believe the company's fundamentals are still sound, and the market is overreacting. So you hold your position. If you're right, and the price rises, you could profit. Of course, if you're wrong, and the price continues to drop, you'd make a loss. Remember, these are all just guidelines. While trading the news can be exciting, it is also risky. Unexpected results can lead to high volatility in the market. So, make sure you're well prepared, and always have a solid trading plan.